Hey everyone, let's go through the process to unlink cost items from the cost catalog. So what I mean by this is when you come into your estimate, you might go ahead and decide you're going to add in items from the catalog. When you do this, it's automatically going to link that item back to the catalog in case there's any updates to that catalog item. Sometimes though, you want this to be independent of that catalog. So to unlink, you're going to want to navigate to the little link sign right next to the title for that cost item or grouping of items. Click on that and then unlink it. When we do this, now this cost item is independent of the catalog and you can do any adjustments within Kayla's custom cabin without impacting the catalog or other projects. Let us know if you have any questions. You can always reach out to our team and your customer success coach. Thanks so much.